If you want to make a good coffee from a good coffee powder, you can see how I do. Hello everyone, and this is Mr. Peace again. Nice to meet you. You know what I'm doing now? I'm sitting on a very nice coffee shop here, and I have a very good mood now to tell you about one technique to make good coffee. This is the filter. And that's the tool in Vietnam that we use to brew coffee. This is one of the coffee brewing methods in Vietnam that everyone can do. So when you get the filter like this, what you do is to look inside, and you can see there are 4 parts of this. The first one is a cap to cover on top. The second one is a filter blade. The filter blade to put on the bottom. And in the middle that you can see 2 things. The first, this one is like brew chamber, a brew chamber with a gravity press that you can put inside, and it's naturally fall down. So 4 parts of a filter. That's the Vietnamese filter, and that's the traditional way that Vietnamese people tend to use at home. So if you want to make a good coffee from a good coffee powder, you can see how I do. Firstly, we tend to use about 25 grams of coffee powder, a good coffee powder, Robusta one, which is very strong. That has high content of caffeine. And then we put about 1/3 of this brew chamber. 25 grams is enough for 1 person, right? And then we can see this is the first layer of many holes here, and this is the second layer that we add together, and then with the coffee powder we put inside, and we're gonna shake it a bit and use the brush to press a bit to make it flat. And then this is the cap that you put here, and you add some hot water in. Right? And the temperature is 92 Celsius degree. After that, we're gonna put everything on the cap and wait. And then you use the amount of water is exactly the same amount of the powder. That's 25 ml, right? Pour on it gradually, and then after 1 minute, the hot water and the powder will be mixed together. And then you use the press to gravity press to put inside, and then press it. And then after 1 minute, right, you put it on the flask, and then the rest here you put on, and then you add more water in to fill it up, and put the cap to cover it. Then if you don't see any drop from here, you use the back of the spoon, turn around like this, and then it will drop down. So that's a simple technique to make filter coffee. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video useful to you. Thank you.